You may not see it now, but I took the steps of lighting up my barrel. I should have thought this out in advance. I'm going to put a pole up, going to paint it, and down the road going to be planters and LED light. It's going to light up the first one as well as the second one. And I am going to, already done this one here, going to wire it up. How? Stay tuned. Got your lead, lay it out. Basically what I did here is I folded my wires in half and get my cement wet. I'm going to tuck in my lead to the cement. Time to let dry, and you'll never know that was there. While I come to a plan, I'm going to let my mums bloom. I'm going to put a pole in the middle. I'm going to have to take all the dirt out, put an X, paint my pole, and start my next year's project now. I got my pole, and you can see right over there, all painted, primed, prime and paint, 2-3 coats on it. And the reason why I'm going PVC is the first line is 3 feet, the second foam is 4 feet, and the last one is 5 feet at the very top, give or take. If I go 3 feet per, I could always add on 4 feet per, I could always add on 5 feet, I could finish off. If I put a special extension on, then I don't have to worry about, you know, taking them in and out. I always have an option to do that. So, what do you like? 3, 4, 5 feet? I think 5 feet settles it. I'm gonna continue on. I got what I want laid out. Look at that. That's about 20 bucks right there. You never know what comes down this block. So I got everything laid out, right? I am gonna mix up some cement, put it in there, rather than go in here and start to nail things down. At least I know that's gonna hold in place. You're looking at Home Depot barrels, 1.5 PVC tubing, primer, and semi-black primer paint by Rust-Oleum. Some leftover 1-gallon windshield washer containers, cement, and nothing else holding it. Fill in with dirt. Decide if you want to put LED lights in here now. Wire it through the bottom holes that these containers have. Right there. When you compact your soil down, that will keep the pole in place. No need to put crosses or anything in there. I drilled some holes. I ran my wire through. We'll repaint, put a cap on, put some type of planters on, and LEDs shining down. We're not finished, but you can see the tops are capped, soil's in place, ready to figure out what tops I want, and I will have to secure the base a little bit more. But there you have it. The poles, they're alright. They'll do just fine. That gives you an idea of how everything's all lit up. All lit up. Done. Very nice indeed. Give you another look when it gets darker here. You can see the glow against the brick, doing a nice job with 6 LEDs per. Good job indeed. Well, there you go. Time to get some flower strings on there, or just put white LEDs. It's a endless choice of what to do. Enjoy.